Yes, let's look at this question number 15 for WAEC chemistry, the WAEC physics, 2018. The ice point on the absolute scale of temperature is A 0 Kelvin, B 32 Kelvin, C 100 Kelvin, D 273 Kelvin. So what is the ice point? For us to understand this, we need to know about the Kelvin and the Celsius temperature scales. Now, in the Celsius, we know that we have the, let's say for water, we have the 100 degrees Celsius for boiling. Then we have the ice point 0 degrees. Then we also have the absolute zero, which is minus 273. This is for Celsius. So we have the equivalent of all these for Kelvin. Absolute zero here is 0. Then here is 0. Anything you have here is anything here plus 273. So if you say minus 273 plus 273, you have 0. If you say 0 plus 273, you have 273. If you say 100 plus 273, you have 373. So that's the difference between a Kelvin scale and a Celsius scale. Every Kelvin is equal to 273 plus the Celsius. So that's how we got about this, because we added 273 to everything here to get this scale. Now, this is the ice point we know. So the ice point is actually on the Kelvin scale, which is the absolute scale, temperature scale. Always know that whenever you say absolute temperature or absolute temperature scale, we are talking about the Kelvin scale. So what's the equivalent of this ice point in the Kelvin scale? Is going to be 273 Kelvin. So this is in Kelvin and this is in Celsius. So the right answer here is D, which is 273. The ice point is 273. So be very, very careful. You might be tempted to pick 0 Kelvin as the ice point. 0 Kelvin is the absolute zero. That's the absolute zero and not the ice point. Ice point is the point, the ice temperature of ice, which is solid water, and that is in Kelvin it is 273. So take note. And Kelvin is also the absolute scale of temperature. So vapor point or boiling point is this point. So take note of all these. So the right answer is 273 when you are taking it in the absolute scale of temperature, which is the Kelvin scale. You understand? But if you are taking it in the Celsius scale, it will be 0 degrees Celsius. But you can see that everything here is in Kelvin. So that makes the answer to this problem. Thank you.